Madam Teresita D. Matic, to our affectionate and beloved Principal, Madam De La Paz T. Wahe, to our PTA Officer, President, Madam Odette Dueñas, to our affectionate and supportive parents, hardworking teachers, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and triumphant day to all. Today marks the most significant day of our lives. To others, it may be just an ordinary one, but for us, it is so special. Because few minutes from now, we will be receiving our long-awaited certificates, symbolizing our diligence in complying with all the requirements needed for the first ladder of education, the elementary. The theme for this year's commencement exercises is Your Gift of Learning, Our Tool for Nation Building. My dear fellow graduates, I truly believe that the learning our teacher imparted to us is our weapon in fulfilling our role as assets of our society and treasure of our country by becoming self-reliant, productive, and value-oriented citizens who can go as far and compete globally to bring honor to our motherland and especially to our dearest alma mater. I am challenging all of you, my dear schoolmates, to strive hard and prove that we are competent, yet humble students, who can surpass all of the challenges that may come our way to victory. Let us make Cabalanchon Elementary School truly proud of us and make a difference in building a continuous progress to our nation. We are so glad, my dear audience, for we have successfully overcome all the trials and dwellings we have experienced for the past 6 years here in our beloved alma mater. And here we are now, reaping the fruit of our endeavors. Parang kailan nga lang po nang kami unang dumating dito sa Cabalanchon. We were so young, empty, and mild. Sabi nga po nila noon, we were like a blank paper, a tabula rasa. But look at us now. We are so brave to shout that we are ready to face the battle for the next ladder, the secondary level. Our dear parents, especially to my papa and mama, thank you so much for all the sacrifices, great care, and concern in sending us to school. We cannot repay you, but we promise to be ever sincere and diligent in our studies, because it is our way to real victory, and it is our way of showing our gratitude to all of you. To our dear teachers, allow us to express our sincerest thanks to every one of you who had made the great contributions in this memorable event of our life. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. We promise that we will treasure all the virtues and skills you have taught us. In that time, we will assure you that you will be proud of us saying, Uy, naging estudyante ko yan, bunga yan ng Cabalanchon. To our beloved alma mater, thank you so much for all the dwellings. We pray that more children will benefit from you. And to my dear schoolmates, keep up the good work. Try your best to protect our school from any hazard that may come. Above all, we are very grateful to our Almighty Father in heaven for showering us with health, wisdom, and most of all, our lives. Thank you so much for allowing everyone on earth to live in this wonderful world. Once again, thank you, congratulations, and God bless us all.
Thank you, Kyla. So let's move on. May we call on the parents may we request our principal to come up on stage together with our guest speaker to help us in awarding the parents of the awardees of the academic